Hello everyone, my name is Ada Blanco and today I'm very excited. Why? Because yes, we are showing you a new web tool. It is called BookCreator, and this is another amazing web tool. To get started, you just go to bookcreator.com. That is the official site, and then you have to click on this sign up button. um, you just have to sign up with your Google account, Microsoft, or QR code. It is very easy. I have created an account already and I've been working very hard because I really like this tool. Well, you can create magazines and books and it is very easy. Well, to get started, click on the plus button right here and choose, click on it and choose your desired layout. I'll choose this one, okay? And start creating. I have created some great magazines to create very innovative magazines and books. Here you have the chance to do it because you can add images, textures, borders. Um, Use the plus button right here to work. Let's see, right here to work on the type text in this editor, but do not worry about the size of the color. Right here, text. You can add some text right here. My princess. My princess. Done. Don't worry about the color or the size because you can adjust that by clicking right here at the eye. Right here. Click at the eye, and then right here you can put it at the middle of the page. You can use different colors. You can use different colors like green, and then inside you can add some columns and shadows right here. You can add as many pages as you want right here. You can see my princess. Okay, if you click the plus button and you go to the more options, which is a new right here, you can add from Google Drive, or you can also work on Canva, the design of your template, and then just click on right here. You know, Canva has a lot of templates and a lot of great templates that you can use right here. Right here, let me show you like this. This is a rose. You can scroll down and choose the template that you would like to use. Let me use this one. Then you just click right here, add to the book. And it's preparing your design to your book right here. Then you can edit and copy and paste or remove. You can add as many pages as you want to. You can also record your original narration. Just click right here at the plus button right here to record right here. Click stop when you're done recording. You can check, you can preview, and as I told you, you can add as many pages as you need. You may want to preview your book. Just click at the play button right here. And now you are ready to share your job. To get embed code, you can click here, what is the like button right here, and then you can share it to your students. Thank you very much for your attention. Please feel free to start using this amazing web tool, and feel free to start using it with your students because it's very meaningful and it's very useful. Bye.